So, hey guys, Francis is back. So, this is gameplay number 3. Well, thanks for subscribing. Thanks for subscribing and liking my videos. So, I'm gonna start with my friend here. Name I want WL, please. Well, I don't know where is he. By the way, oh, he left. He left. Never mind. What's here? To the amazing door worlds. Go for the amazing door worlds. Go down to exit. Well, to the amazing door worlds. Well, okay. Okay. We have their secret. Never mind. I'm going to my the constructions. I'm gonna get for the thanks. By the way, I'm recording. Okay. I'm recording. Dude, I'm recording. Come on. Baby, also classic. Sige. Okay. Dude. I'm recording. Do you know? I'm recording. Please to my channel. Please subscribe to my channel. By the way, oh yeah, I did. Oh, thanks. By the way. Okay, by the way, it's my gameplay 3. It's my gameplay number 3. It's my gameplay number 3. It's my gameplay number 3. Good hacks. Moral. Wait a minute, guys. Dude. Wait, what? Never mind. Dude. Wait. Dude. Please subscribe to my YT channel. What channel? My name. I friendly. Those go bear. Mine. I friendly does Growtopia. So long, never mind. The name. Lol. Because I want that kind of name. Because you know what name again? I friendly those Growtopia. So who's watching this now? Please subscribe, smash that like button. Wait, I friendly those Growtopia. Lol. Growtopia not. Growtopia. Well, by the way, I think Yujin Pang. Who's Yujin Pang? I'm making short videos cause I'm not yet a super famous kid. That's why. so I can only do 9 minutes. Tomorrow start their series. Yeah, me too. I got 200 subs. By the way, if I get 200 subs, I will start their videos. What? Giveaway for... Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, sure thing. Like giveaways. But still... The... The... What's this? Not really poison. Yeah, because it's venom. What are they doing? I'm not with my cousin right now. Lol. Lol. Those. Not those. Those. Not those. Those. Stop it. Those are what? Good. And friendly. There's Utopia. Sorry about time. This I told you. Yeah. And this is my gameplay. Here. Whatever. Don't mind it. Because I'm just starting off. I'm just starting. Oh. Oh. Hello. Ha? Saan ba si ate mo? Kuya Alan.
Nasa kabila. Hello.
Okay.
Alan.
Spider. Dirt. Spider. Dirt. Dirt. By the way. Spider. And spider. Spider. I don't care. I'm gonna do something good. Public bitch. So. It's public. Yay. Good news. It's public bitch. Okay. Ooh, this is so classic. Hey. This is so classic. Yeah. Yeah. Video so classic. This is so classic. Yeah. And this is classic. Never mind it all. Don't. This is so. And I'm trapping here. But so guys, I'll put the part 2 of this gameplay number 3. So you know what I'm gonna do later. Edit it. Oh, it's fashion game. Free candy. Oh, okay, it's free candy. Yo. Disposing of 50 items and 5,000, 50,000 and 5,000. And a bracelet. Cool, huh? Nice. By the way, nice. Dragon hand in a Grand Garden. And what's this? Familiar leash, black cat leash, serve big leash, or not leash. Need Pacific Owl, Nightmare Magnifying Glass, Taming Wave, Pet Leprechaun, Sonar Bracelet, just came in there again, Butterfly Leash, Pet Preto, and what's here? Wait, who is the owner of this world? Never mind. Okay, sure. Okay, friend. Jinx. I think he won. So this holding What? What's your problem, Dad? What's the real problem? What are you doing? Why? What? Hey. What am I not? Something? Springtrap? Zombies, Disneyland. What the? I want here. Springtrap. What? Near? Vice Bears? No, wrong. Song by the great. Wait. Let me see. Cool, huh? Song best. Made by Monkey and let's go to this world. Oh. Well done, gang ho.
Ayan na.
How flashlight? Tomorrow comes. I look around my sister. Saturday is a flashlight. Let me get into the night. Flashlight. Five guys on me. Go kart racers. Wait, what? Opening game. Oh, I like this. Cool. Let's go back. Like that. Wait, Utopia update song. Oh, this much better than the old song they have.
Ano? Napasok ka sa school? Ay, naku, galit ako. Pag hindi
Oh,
napasok
so
sa
long.
school.
Okay. So that's all, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video, and it's just part 1 of gameplay number 3.
Huwag
So
kang
see you
uuwi.
guys.
Dito muna ikaw.
So don't forget to
Ikaw,
subscribe and smash the like
Uuwi ba kita?
button.
Pasok.
See you in my next gameplay number
Doon
3,
ka lalaro,
part
ah.
2.
Ayun na.
Bye.